Hello, boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, December the 29th, 2021, and I've already solved one puzzle, 1 out of 6. Yes, the 3 stars puzzle. So 2 puzzles are left, the 4 stars tectonic and a binary. But now it's time for the binary puzzle number 3903. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. Well, we are missing 1 O in the second row. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Well, I cannot place the O here. I cannot place the O there. It needs to be in the middle, the O, because then we have 2 1s there and 2 1s there. Okay, if I place it here, then we have over there 4 1s. So it must be of 3 1s. So it must be in the middle. Okay. So the other 4 boxes should be a 1. Okay. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are the 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And then let me see. Interesting. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 1s in the first row. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 1, 2, 3. 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Yes. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O. Here 1. There 1. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Right, great binary, and I like this one without comparing. So very quick to solve. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other. We have 1 puzzle left. Yes, tectonic. Other puzzle, yeah. Tectonic with 4 stars. It will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.